Now, if you spend a lot of time in meetings, you know the trade-off. You're either actively participating or you're stuck taking notes and you don't remember anything at the end of the meeting. Now, yes, you could record your meetings on your phone, but then what? You end up with like 2 hours of raw audio that you're never gonna look at again and you're never gonna use. But that's where the PLAUD NotePin S comes in. This little device right here bridges in-person conversations, phone calls, and online meetings into one unified AI system. So what does that mean? Everything ends up in one place. It's searchable, structured, and actionable. Let's actually start with the hardware. The NotePin S weighs just 17.4 grams, making it extremely lightweight and super versatile and portable. Now, it's generally so small to the point where you can actually forget that you're wearing it. The great thing about it is its versatility, so you can pin it to your lapel, you can clip it to your shirt, you can wear it as a necklace, or even on your wrist with all the supported accessories that it comes with. Now, in contrast to other versions of this specific product, the key upgrade here is the front tactile button that it has. So while you're using this to record a meeting, you can just press the button and kind of use it as a timestamp. It's essentially going to mark key moments instantly. So think about it this way. Let's say a big decision was made during the meeting, you just tap the button. An important number was mentioned, just tap the button. Or even so, an action item was assigned, then you can also just tap the button, it'll record it and create a key moment for you. So later on, when you actually want to go find that important information, it actually saves it for you. It uses dual MEMS microphones and captures audio clearly from up to 3 meters away, which is ideal for conference rooms and client meetings. Now, I think it's also worth mentioning that it comes with 64 gigabytes of local storage, which is plenty because the files are actually not that large, allowing you to record long sessions. This will grant you around 20 hours of continuous recording. Combined with all of that, it is extremely tiny and it just stays out of the way. You can just literally clip it to your shirt like this and boom, there you go. It's super lightweight. You forget that you have it on and it actually serves a real purpose. But now with all of that being said, let's actually get into the software because this is where this little item really shines. So to use this properly, you're going to have to use the PLAUD app, which is available for all the PLAUD devices. So after recording, the AI processes absolutely everything. So all the information that was recorded during a meeting, a client session, and anything of that nature. It supports 112 different languages, which is great. And it doesn't just give you a transcript, it actually serves multiple purpose. So it generates structured meeting notes, executive summaries, to-do lists, key decisions, and even mind maps, which is great. Now, here's the feature that I personally use the most when it comes to this thing. It's called Ask PLAUD. So instead of having to scroll through transcripts and stuff like that, all you have to do, you can just say what deadlines were mentioned, or did we finalize the budget? So when asking PLAUD, it responds instantly based on your recordings. So picture it this way. It's essentially like having ChatGPT trained for your own meetings. For online meetings, there's also the PLAUD Desktop app, which is great. And most importantly, it actually doesn't show up as a visible bot meeting. It's going to stay out of the way. It's going to be on your desktop so you can use it for your case. So it's going to avoid those awkward notifications where a recording assistant has joined the meeting. It's going to keep that out of the way and make it clean and organized. It runs quietly on your machine, so it's out of the way and everything syncs between your desktop app and the mobile app. So it creates this very simple one ecosystem kind of deal, and it has one searchable memory bank, allowing you to kind of browse through all your information in one place. Now, let's say maybe you attend a lot of business events or take phone calls regularly. Maybe something like the PLAUD Note Pro is actually a better option for you. And so this is a little magnetic device that attaches to the back of your phone, and it only requires one tap to start recording. Now, it doesn't get interrupted by any incoming phone calls and stuff like that, and it also doesn't drain your phone's battery in any way. It's fully independent. So now, depending on your workflow, if you handle a lot of phone calls and meetings and stuff like that, then the PLAUD Note Pro would be a better option. But if you attend a lot of in-person meetings and things of that, and you want something small and wearable, then the PLAUD NotePin S is definitely the better option. Now, let's talk about something a little bit more intricate because you might have some questions about this. Now, obviously, your first question probably would be like, well, listen, my phone could probably do this. And technically, yes, it can. But the key difference here is that your phone, it'll record the meeting, yes, but it's recording audio as opposed to this little gadget. It basically turns your meeting into structured intelligence. That's the real difference here. This is where this item really shines. Now, there is a subscription for the AI transcription minutes, but look at it this way. You have to do the math. Let's say you attend about 50 hours worth of meeting per month, and manually note take plus review costs you another 50 hours. And so this is where PLAUD reduces that to about 1 to 2 hours of review, which is insane. That's roughly 48 to 49 hours saved per month. Now imagine that on a yearly scale. Let's say if your time is worth $200 an hour, that's nearly $10,000 of recovered productivity monthly. Now, even at a lower rate, the return on investment is still an obvious choice here. And keep in mind, it also also comes with 300 free minutes included, which most of you are probably not even going to exceed. For most professionals, that actually covers a majority of their usage time. Now, when it comes to recording other people or meetings or stuff like that, privacy is a big thing, and I'm glad to say that this has a lot of certifications. So PLAUD is compatible with ISO 27001 or 27701, GDPR, SOC2, HIPAA, EN 18031. So the data is end-to-end encrypted and it's safe. Only you can access your recordings and no one else. Now that said, when using this device, make sure you do inform the patients or the clients. Just keep things transparent and be mindful of the local laws and restrictions. Now, its real only weakness here, let's be fair, is that it has a docking station because the device is so tiny. So obviously you have to charge it somehow. And since it's so small and tiny, it's kind of too slim to have a USB-C port. And sometimes the transcription does take a few minutes, but it's really not that big of a deal. Kind of use this downtime while it charges and transcribes. As a coffee break, I'll typically just do something in the meantime. Now, all in all, PLAUD is still a relatively new category. But trust me, once you start using searchable AI memory for your meetings, it's gonna be hard to go back because this is truly innovative. This isn't just about recording, it's also about reducing cognitive load. So that means less note-taking, less reviewing, and more time invested in your actual meetings. Now, if you enjoy recording your inspiration probably like 24/7, or you prefer wearing something super small on your body, then I definitely recommend the NotePin S. But if you frequently attend offline meetings or have a lot of phone calls, then I would really recommend the Note Pro, as it is a better fit for you. Now, you can check out both of these items in the description down below. I'll have them listed, and I want to give a huge thank you to the team over at PLAUD for making this video possible. Now, with that said, I hope you've enjoyed, and if this video was of any help, please let me know in the comment section down below. With that said, I hope to catch you guys on the next one, and I'll see you soon. Take care.